Naglabas na ng show cause order ang Land Transportation Office laban sa tinaguriang Bulacan Group of Contractors o BGC Boys. May kinalaman ito sa paggamit umano nila ng peking driver's license na ipinapakita tuwing nagkakasino sila. Kasama na inisyuhan ng SCO sina dating Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry Alcantara alias Joseph Castro Villegas, dating Bulacan Assistant Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez alias Marvin de Guzman. Gayon din sina Assistant District Engineer JP Mendoza alias PJ Castro Asuncion, Project Engineer RJ Dumasig alias Sandro Bernardo Park at Engineer Edric San Diego.
More importantly, we'd like to know yung route, saan galing to, no? Baka naman galing rin dito yan or somewhere else, no? We'd like to trace back, we'd like to investigate it even deeper para it might be a new source of fake documents. So gusto namin makita po yan, no?